Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But before we get started, we need to wash our hands. Make sure we get the front of our hands and the back of our hands, in between and under our nails. Okay, and when you feel it's ready, you can rinse off. Let's go over what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a plate, 2 slices of bread, a knife, peanut butter or sun butter, jelly, and a napkin. All right, let's get started. I have my plate in front of me with my 2 slices of bread and my knife, and I'm gonna get started with peanut butter first. So I'm gonna open peanut butter, use my knife, and put some on my slice and start spreading. Remember not to press down too hard when you're spreading or you'll break through the bread. If you need some more, you can take some more from the jar. Okay, when you're done, close the peanut butter and put your knife down. Okay, we put peanut butter on our first slice, and now for the next slice, we're gonna put jelly. I'm just gonna wipe my knife clean, then cup jelly. Okay, start spreading. Okay. Spread, spread, spread the jelly, spread. Spread, spread the jelly, spread, spread, spread the jelly, spread, 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 spread. Okay, when you're all done, put your knife down. Okay, first, we put peanut butter on one slice, then we put jelly on our second slice. Now we're going to put our 2 slices together like this. Okay, and the last step is to cut our sandwich. So I'm gonna pick up my knife, go press down, move across. There. I hope you guys enjoy your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Once you're done cleaning up, don't forget to check out the worksheets available on Google Classroom. Until next time, bye everyone.